Good morning, children. How are you, children? I hope you are fine. Yes. Are you studying classwork, children? You are writing some lessons classwork. Are you studying that? I am giving homework also. Are you doing homework, children? Did you finish all the homework? You must study everyday classwork and you must write everyday homework. Okay, children? Okay. Today you are going to write a classwork only. You are going to write a classwork. So you keep your book and also your classwork note with you. Now everybody open your classwork note. Start writing classwork. The question is in page number 32. Answer the following questions in one or two lines. That book back exercise you have done. Yes or no? You have done, children. Now you write a classwork. All the questions are in book page number 32. So you take page number 32. Write the first question. What is your, before that you write, answer the following questions in one or two lines. You write this heading. After you write a question. That is heading. This is question. What is a substance? Name the types of substances. Write fast, children. Write neatly. Lesson 3. This is lesson 3. That is question, lesson 3. Heading: elements, compounds and mixtures. Elements, compounds and mixtures. After answer the following question. Then write the question. What is a substance? Name the types of substances. Now, a substance is a matter. A substance is a matter which has a specific composition and specific properties. A substance is a matter which has a specific composition and specific properties. In that question, the second part of the question is name the types of substances. Name the types of substances. You write these two questions. Write together. Name the types of substances, elements, compounds, pure substances, elements, compounds, and impure substances, mixtures. Impure substances, mixtures. Write fast. While writing, you read the word and read the spelling also. That is very easy to memorize these all. Write fast, children. What is a substance? Name the types of substances. A substance is a matter which has a specific composition and specific properties. Then name the types of substances. Pure substances, elements, compounds, and impure substances, mixtures. Did you write, children? Okay, we will go to the next question. Name two gases lighter than air. If you have finished writing, you can go to the next question and write that. Okay? Okay, children. Now you can write second question also. If you have completed this question and answer, you can go to write the second question, that is name two gases lighter than air. Get ready for that. This picture for understanding. Which lesson class of ma'am is giving. Which lesson class what ma'am is giving now. So you can understand because this lesson pictures. This is third lesson pictures. This is third lesson pictures. Elements, compounds and mixtures. They are doing experiment. Both are doing experiment. This is third lesson. So it is very easy to keep in your mind through this picture. Now second question, name two gases lighter than air. Write that. Now listen, name two gases lighter than air. Hydrogen, helium. Only two gases lighter than air. Some more examples are there. Neon, nitrogen. Yes, hydrogen. You write only hydrogen, helium. Hydrogen, helium. Then next question, what is the principle involved in chromatography? What is the principle involved in chromatography? Chromatography is based on the principle where molecules in mixture applied onto the surface or into the solid or fluid stationary phase is separating from each other while moving with the aid of a mobile phase. Listen, chromatography is based on the principle where molecules in mixture, I small letter, in mixture, that I is a small letter, in mixture applied onto the surface or into the solid and fluid stationary phase is separating from each other while moving with the aid of mobile phase. Already you have studied two phases, mobile phase and also stationary phase. Write fast, children. Are you writing? Is your hand paining? No, your hand is not paining. Yes? Okay, write fast. Can you understand? Can you understand this writing? Okay, children. Okay, we will go to the next question. Okay, the fourth question, define melting point. Define melting point. Temperature at which a solid changes to liquid at atmospheric pressure. Temperature at which solid changes to liquid at atmospheric pressure is called melting point. Very easy. Solid changes into liquid. That is melting point. Temperature at which solid changes to liquid at atmospheric pressure is called melting point. Second define, that is boiling point. Boiling point, right? Temperature at which liquid boils and turns to vapor is called boiling point. Write fast, children. Listen. Temperature at which liquid boils and turns to vapor is called boiling point. Next, if you have written this question with answer, you can write fifth question and get ready. What is a mixture? Name the types of mixture. If you are not completed, you write this question. Write fast, children. This video only you are writing classwork. Okay, children, we will go to the next question. Now, fifth question, what is a mixture? Name the types of mixture. What is a mixture? Name the types of mixture. A mixture is a combination of two or more substances within the bracket elements or compounds which is not done chemically. Then mixtures are two types. Homogeneous and heterogeneous. Mixtures. I read once again. A mixture is a combination of two or more substances, that means elements or compound, which is not done chemically. Mixtures are two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous. The next we will write answer in detail. Alright, fast children. Read and write. While reading, you can study the spelling also, and you can know reading. Do fast children. Okay, we will go to the next question, that is answer in detail questions. 4 questions are there. Get ready. I made the answer very short, so you can write very easily, children. Don't worry about that. Answer the following questions in detail. Put the heading and get ready. Now, what is the question? Before that, you write the heading answer in detail. Then write the question, differentiate between compound and mixture. Question is in book page number 32. Question in the page number 32. Take and write. Then pure substances, put 2 columns. One column compounds, another one column is mixture. Write the heading. Now, pure substance made up of 2 or more kinds of atoms or elements. 2 or more kinds of atoms or elements. Then come to the mixtures. Write this. Impure substance. Impure substance made up of 2 or more kinds of elements or compounds, or both. Made up of 2 or more kinds of elements or compounds, or both. Then second point, only be separated by chemical method. Only be separated by chemical methods. Here can be separated by physical methods. Can be separated by physical methods. Here example compound, we can give an example, water. There we can give one example, that is air. Okay, we will go to the next question. Draw a well labeled diagram of distillation apparatus. Draw a well labeled diagram of distillation apparatus. Write this question. If you have completed this first question answer, you can go to the second question. You can write this question and get ready. Now listen, children. Draw a well labeled diagram of distillation apparatus. It is in book page number 28. Separation by distillation is given. Yes, children. That is a distillation apparatus. You can use book also. You can for drawing. You can use your book for drawing. Got it, everybody? Now draw first. You can draw Bunsen burner. Bunsen burner. After, then wire cost, then flask, conical flask. Flask is there within the bracket X and Y. There is one solid component and also liquid components. After that, you draw a condenser, Liebig condenser. In that, water outlet and water inlet. Then another one flask, that is a receiver flask. Listen children, Bunsen burner, wire cask, flask, then Liebig condenser, in that water outlet and also water inlet. After that, a receiver flask is there. A receiver flask also there. So you draw it neatly. Okay children? You can use your book also. Suppose now you cannot draw within this time, if you can't draw this, then next two questions first you write, after that you sit free and draw this, okay? But you should complete this. Drawing. Ma'am, I can't draw, ma'am. No, you can draw. If you have to take risk, we can complete any work. So you can draw. Already you have drawn in the previous class. So it is very easy to draw. Okay. Now we will go to the next question. Here, what is the next question? Explain the process of sedimentation and decontation. Explain the process of sedimentation and decontation. Sedimentation, sedimentation. Sedimentation, sedimentation. Sedimentation and decontation, decantation. Decontation. Okay, we can write this answer. Sedimentation is defined as the separation process in which solids are separated from the liquid. All the solids settle down at the bottom of a beaker, and on top a clear layer of liquid is obtained. And on top a clear layer of liquid is obtained. Sedimentation and decontation. So decontation is not given. You write children, decontation, that spelling is in the question, decantion, decontation. It is not in the slide, but you can write while listen. When you listen my reading, you can write. I am reading now. Decontation is defined as the separation process in which two immiscible liquids are separated. Only two lines. Again, I say again, I read again, I tell you again. Decontation is defined as the separation process in which two immiscible liquids are separated. Did you write children? Okay, we will go to the last question, that is, what are homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture? What are homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture? You put two column, otherwise no need to put column. We will write. No, don't put two column. You can write as a paragraph. Get ready for that. Now, the question number 4. What are homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture? What are homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture? Write the question fast. A homogeneous mixture is a solid, liquid or gaseous mixture that has the same proportion of its components throughout any given sample. Throughout any given sample. Sample, SAMPLE. That is capital letter is there. That is not capital letter. Wrong. That is mistake. That is mistake. That is small letters. Okay. SAMPLE. You write. Don't write L in a capital letter. Okay. Small letters. LE. All letters should be small. SAMPLE. Then conversely, a heterogeneous mixture has components COMPO. That PO is missing there, so you write that COMPONENTS has components in which properties vary throughout the sample. Write fast, children. So you have completed. This is the last question. Till now you have completed third lessons all questions. I think you are not writing second lessons question answer. Yes. So no problem. Through the next video I will give you all those answers in the next video. Okay, children. So why we are writing first in the third lesson. Don't worry about that. Whenever I am giving the video for writing, you can write. Okay. Now you are writing. You have completed third lessons all questions. Third lesson all questions. Through the next video, I am giving some classwork in the second lesson or in the first lesson. Okay. Okay, children. Okay. So you must study all these questions. Only writing is not enough. So you should study all the questions. We will keep test also. Before that you study. Then today I am not giving the homework. Yes. Then I will give more homework in the next video. Okay, children. Have you completed this classwork? Are you happy now? Okay. We will meet again. Thank you.